Oh man, I think I jinxed us with that other snow video. No, we're getting like a foot of snow at least. It's a crazy storm, dude. Look how deep this shit is, dude. You can't even walk on the sidewalk, you have to walk on the road. But it's walking these tire tracks. Yeah. I wonder how the heated driveways are holding up today. I bet I'm covered in snow. Yeah. Oh man, it's coming down here. I'll turn on the flash. Oh, it's coming down, dude. Oh, you don't even need the flash. You can see from that light. Damn, I'm gonna go to the heated driveways. That's the reason why I came outside. Oh shit, I think this is a plow down here. Oh, well, I'm gonna go get some more footage. Just as I stopped recording, this guy got stuck. Fuck. I told him not to come because it's too deep. I think he's still going to try. I'm surprised there's any cars outside, dude. This shit's so fucking deep. He's still trying. If he gets in, he's going to get stuck because it gets deeper. He's stuck, dude. What a guy. I think every car on this road's stuck. I think this guy's stuck too. This guy's just swearing now with his car. Alright, I found one heated driveway. But you can tell it is because it's like a lot less. And like underneath the cars there's no snow. But there's a lot less snow on that driveway compared to like this one. Or even like this one. I guess it's not used to working that hard. I'm going to try to find another one. Better heated driveway. Yeah. We'll keep exploring this blizzard. Okay, now this is pretty cool. You can walk on busy roads. Because the sidewalk isn't even a fucking sidewalk, it's just a hill. You can walk on busy roads because there's no cars at all. Because if they come on this road, they're going to get stuck. Fuck. Jeez. It's coming down more now. Holy shit. I've only seen like plows outside and that one car that got stuck. Fuck, he's probably still there stuck. Fucking guy. Jesus Christ. Yeah, if you're walking through the snowstorm and you just had to walk on the sidewalk through this fucking giant mountain, like fucking like this, and every step you take you're like down, you're an idiot. When you could just walk right beside it and there's no cars at all. I guarantee if I seen one person outside, they'd be trying to walk on the sidewalk, then they'll see me walking on the road, then they'll come to the road. Because there's no cars, dude. They'll get stuck if they come out. Oh, there's a bus! What the fuck? Why is there a bus? Oh my god. I wonder if there's anyone on it, dude. Probably. Oh my god. Alright, I found a heated driveway in this apartment building. Jesus. It doesn't even land on it, it just lands and melts. Yeah, let's see how much snow I have on me now. Oh shit! Damn. I was just thinking people probably aren't putting on their heated driveways until the morning when they have to go outside, but then I just found one, dude. That's a pretty nice house. That kind of makes sense. See, it's still struggling a bit, but it got fucking all of it. Like, look at how fucking tall this shit is. Like, straight up. I think everyone else is going to turn theirs on in the morning, but that's one there. That's pretty cool, eh? Yeah. We got like a foot so far. And we got a foot so far. And put on my flash so you can see how deep it is. So you probably can't see the deep. Kind of. Not really. Yeah. I think that's all I'm going to film. I think I'm going to get home before it gets worse. Because like it's already a foot high. And like, yeah, it's still snowing. So it's probably going to get to like 1.5 feet in like a couple hours. So, I mean, I'll turn on the camera if I see another heated driveway. But I just went on this road. But I don't really think people would have them on until the morning. Oh wait, is this one? No, that's not one. Here's just a shadow. Because this is a rich area, that's why I went here. Yeah, I think a lot of people will turn them on in the morning, right? Instead of leaving it on all night. But then again, maybe if they're too rich, they don't care about leaving it on all night. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking. But I just got to the main street, a Cadillac got stuck. It like swerved and almost fucking hit the fucking post. But now it's just stuck there. Fuck. Oh no, he got out. Yeah! He got out. He was stuck for time. God damn. He almost fucking hit the post though. Holy shit, dude. Yeah, shit's the day after that major snowstorm. Sidewalks aren't even paved yet. Fuck. A lot of roads aren't. It's like, what the fuck has the city been doing for the past 24 hours? Like, what the fuck? They barely did anything, dude. Barely put a dent into the fucking snow. Jeez. Oh, there's a heated driveway. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is pathetic, dude. How fucking little work they did. Fuck. And they've been out for the past 24 hours, apparently. Damn.